Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss another conversion of number system, that is binary to decimal. Whenever you are given with a binary number and if you want to convert it into decimal, follow these two steps. The first step here is multiply each bit of the binary number by its positional weight. Here the positional weights are powers of 2. Second step is add all the products. Let us take an example here. First example is convert the binary number 1011 into decimal. What is our first step? Multiply each bit of the binary number by its positional weight. Given number is 1011, and while giving the weight, start giving it from LSB. LSB is your rightmost bit. Rightmost bit is called as LSB. Here LSB is this 1. So we'll start it. 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. Simplify it. 1 into 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1. Product terms are 8, 4, 0, 2, 1. 1 into 8 is 8, 0 into 4 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 1 is 1. Add all the products, that is 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. What will be the answer? 11. So 11 is the decimal equivalent of 1011. Taking another example. Another example here is 111001. Again start giving the weights from rightmost bit, that is from LSB. Which is our LSB here? 1 is our LSB. 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 5. Simplify it. 1 into 2 to the power 5 is 32 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 is 16 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1. Here the product terms are 1 into 32 is 32, 1 into 16 is 16, 1 into 8 is 8, 0 into 4 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. So the product terms 32, 16, 8, 0, 0, 1. Add all the product terms 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. What will be the answer? It is 57. If you want to cross check, you can start dividing this 57 by 2. Whenever you get doubt whether the made conversion is correct or not, you can cross check it. How? By dividing the obtained output by 2. 228 is 56. Remainder is 1. This first remainder will be LSB. 2 14s are 28. Remainder is 0. 2 7s are 14. Remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. Once you get the quotient as 0, stop dividing it. And the last remainder which you are getting is your MSB. Here 1 is the MSB. While writing the digits, how you are writing it? You have to write it from MSB to LSB. So the digits are 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Look at these two. Both the numbers are same, right? So that you can conclude now that the made conversion is correct. Taking another example here. In this example, we have two parts. One is integral part, another one is fractional part. Here, while converting, the fractional part should containing the weightage as negative. You should use the negative powers here. Let us see which is our LSB. 1 is our LSB. So, we started from here. 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. And coming to the fractional part, you should use the powers as negative. Negative powers you should make use over here. 1 into 2 to the power minus 1, 0 into 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 3. Simplify it. 1 into 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 0 into 2 to the power is 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 by 8. Going to the next step, 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 2 is 0.5 plus 0 into 1 by 4 is 0.25 plus 1 into 1 by 8 is 0.125. Add all these products, that is 1 into 8 is 8 plus 0 into 4 is 0 plus 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 0.5 0.5 plus 0 into 0.25 is 0 plus 1 into 0.125 0.125. Add all these, you will get 11.625. This is the decimal equivalent of 1011.101. This is how you have to convert. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.